This one simple habit changed how I walk, stand, and climb stairs, and took just 3 weeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your leg strength. Because if you want legs like this, or maybe you're just getting started with your fitness journey, whatever your goals are, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to Elderly Care for more life-changing tips. So let's get into it. And there is no better way to do that than with these 5 exercises that I'm about to show you. Now, there are 2 main factors when it comes to increasing the strength of your legs. One of them is your diet. If you're not eating enough protein, if you're not eating enough complex carbohydrates, so you're going to take a dumbbell in each hand, you're going to walk forward, and then you're going to lunge. As you lunge, make sure that your knee does not go past your toes. This is a staple exercise when it comes to increasing the size and the strength of your calves. Remember, you have to put in the work. You have to be consistent with your diet and with your exercise routine in order to see results. So if you're ready to get started, I want you to click the link below. There's a free 7-day workout program that you can download. It's going to help you get started on your fitness journey. It's going to help you build muscle and burn fat. So make sure that you click the link below and get access to it right now. So to do a calf raise, all you need to do is grab some weights. You're going to stand up on top of a platform, and then you're going to raise up on your tippy toes, squeeze those calves, and then lower back down. Keep that chest up, keep that core tight, and make sure that you're actually using your leg muscles to do the work. Once you get to the top, push off that back leg, stand up, and then repeat the same motion on the other side. And healthy fats, then you are not going to have the energy and the building blocks to increase the strength of your legs. So similar to the regular deadlift, you're going to hinge at those hips. Keep that back flat, and then grab some weights, whether it's a barbell or dumbbells, and then pull it up. Now when it comes to the deadlift, you want to make sure that you're squeezing the glutes, driving those knees forward and lifting that weight up. So make sure that you are eating clean. Make sure that you are eating foods that are gone nah help you recover after your workouts, and that are gone nah give you the energy to push yourself to the next level. The second factor is actually doing the work, putting in the effort and progressively overloading your lower body. Exercise number 1 is the squat. This is a staple exercise for a reason. It works your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, your calves. There's really no better lower body exercise than the squat. So when it comes to doing squats, you want to make sure that you're going slow and controlled. Keep those knees in line with your toes. Don't let them wobble from side to side. Keep that chest up, keep that core tight, and make sure that you're going all the way down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, if not lower. And then press into your feet and go back up to the top. Now if you want to add extra weight, you can put a barbell on your back, or you can use dumbbells. Exercise number 2 is the deadlift. Now this is a great exercise to target those posterior chains, those back muscles, your glutes, your hamstrings, even your lower back. So when it comes to deadlifts, you want to make sure that you're keeping that back flat, lifting with your legs, not with your back. So bend those knees, stay low, and then lift that weight up. When it comes to adding weight, you can use a barbell, you can use dumbbells, or you can even do this with just your body weight. Exercise number 3 is the lunges. Now there are many variations of lunges, but my favorite variation is the walking lunge. Exercise number 4 is the Romanian deadlift. This is another great exercise to target those posterior chains. And last but not least, exercise number 5 is the calf raise. So those are 5 exercises that you can do to increase the strength of your legs.